Y'all, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god, qué horrible se ve. Oh my goodness. Ooh, okay. Whoops, this was supposed to be in this roller. We can do this. We can do this. No worry, no worry. Look at that. I mean, so I have detangled my hair and put them into like these two sections here. I got a little bit paranoid that the Olaplex number 6 wasn't gonna be enough. So I actually ended up using this Redken Extreme Play It Safe. And it is a heat protectant that protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Just in case, because I'm super paranoid about heat damage. Okay, so I have all of my things here. All of the tools here. I have my rat tail comb. We're gonna use this to section and to smooth the hair over the roller. I have this, in Spanish we call it a redecilla, but it's pretty much like this mesh thing that you put over your rolos, and it keeps them nice and secure and in place if you're moving around, if you're under the secadora, the air dryer. My rollers, and I have different sizes here. I have these really big ones right here, and then I have these little medium-sized ones, purple ones that are like a little bit smaller and more slender, and then I have these ones here that are like just a tad bit bigger than the gray ones. So you kind of like use the roller depending on your hair, the length, the thickness, and your desired result. I'm just gonna use these gray ones because I feel like they are the right size for what I want. I'm actually really nervous. I've never done this before by myself. I've always just had like my mom do it or like at the salon. But this is a really good way and a really good method to straighten your hair if you don't want to apply too much heat. It's just healthier for your hair as far as damage because you're doing most of the drying under the secadora. Now, how I usually have always seen it being done is that there is a row that goes down the center and then you fill in these areas. I am only going off of memory from what I've seen done. I'm gonna grab this section here, tie it up. I'm gonna spray this a little bit more. Okay, grab the bobby pin. Okay, and that's the first one. Y'all, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what I'm doing. Just kind of going with the flow, you know? Ooh, okay. Whoops, this was supposed to be in this roller. Guys, we are learning together. They look terrible, but we're gonna keep going because we already started. So, I feel like with practice, I could do this way better. It's kind of a fail, but we're gonna keep going, you know? We're gonna keep going. We're not gonna give up. We're already here. We've already done the first row. You know, my mom always said that part of being a woman was knowing how to do rolos. So I feel like I'm becoming a woman now, even though these are absolutely horrible. But it's okay, it's okay. Practice makes perfect, am I right? Look at that. I mean, no, try it again, let's try it again. We can do this, we can do this. No worry, no worry. This looks so bad. You know what? I'm not putting it that way. I'm putting it the other way. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my god, these are not gonna quit now. We've come this far. We are not quitters on this channel. We are not quitters. I'm a curly girl, you know? Like, curly hair is me. But sometimes, oh no. Sometimes you wanna switch it up. When in doubt, just add more body paints. Okay, we're on our last section. We're on the last section, yes. Oh, thank God. I'm surprised I'm not sweating because this has been so stressful, but we're gonna get through this. Oh my God. I really don't know how my mom does this all the time. This is so difficult. I can't wait to finish. Oh my God, we're at the last piece and literally, this has been so difficult. Props to like all the Dominican girls and like anyone in general that does this all the time, because I know people that do this every single weekend. I mean, and I think like with practice it gets better, but this is seriously like so much harder than it looks. So much harder, but I'm glad that we're learning together because wow. Okay guys, the last one. And like I said, this is my first time doing this. I can see that it's awful, but you know, I'm glad that I'm attempting it, and hopefully this will encourage anyone out there that has been wanting to do this. Even if you aren't very good at it, you know, you can watch this video and feel inspired, because I literally do not know what I'm doing. Oh my God, this one looks so bad, but I literally just want to finish. I don't even care. I'm trying to like, no, I have to do this one again. This one's really bad. Oh no, I'm gonna do it the other way. Ugh. If you have short hair, this is gonna be like way easier. Oh my God, I did it. That was so frustratingly hard. We're gonna keep all of this in place because I feel like it's gonna fall apart any second. So we're gonna take the redecilla and we're gonna put this on. Now, I'm not even sure how to put this on, but I'm gonna guess. Okay, and this is getting tangled in the back. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay guys, we did it. We did it. This was so hard. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. So now we're gonna grab the secadora. I'm gonna shoot for 45 because I'm gonna blow dry this anyway. So yeah, I'm really proud, guys. Looks awful in person, but hopefully on camera it doesn't look that bad. So let's go upstairs and let's go under the air dryer for a little bit. Low heat or high heat. I'm gonna alternate between these two. Okay, so we're back. My face is still a little bit flushed. I don't know if you guys can tell in the camera. So now we are going to take out the rolos one by one. With each one that I take out, I'm going to start to blow dry it. For my blow dryer today, I'm gonna be using the Revlon blow dryer. This is it right here. I'm sure you guys have seen it. This is all over YouTube and social media. I think I'm gonna alternate between the low and the high setting because again, I don't wanna use too much heat on my hair and my hair is already pretty much dry. Okay, so we're gonna remove the redecilla. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna start off with the bottom. This is how I came out. To grab this Chi, this is a heat protectant spray. No damage at all, not even a little bit, so I'm gonna be really, really safe. So far, this is my third heat protectant. Okay, so that's 2 rolos done. Now it just feels a little bit dry, but that's okay, guys. This is my first time straightening my hair in a very long time, so I'm not really worried about how perfect it comes out. because there's parts like right here that came out like badly shaped, and that's because I did not put the rolo flat enough. I'm gonna leave this middle section. I'm gonna leave that for last, but that's the hair so far. Curious to see how my hair will turn out if I just use the Revlon blow dryer brush. If you guys want to see a video of me using just the brush to do my hair, I could totally do that because I'm curious myself. Look how the rolo curl is in comparison to the rest of my hair. Right, guys. Wow. Wow. Home stretch. Wow, we're on the last one. Oh my God. So the back up here feels kind of bad. Doesn't look the best, but doesn't look the worst either. So this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna grab this Olaplex. I've never used this before, but we're gonna use this, like a few drops like that. It smells really nice. And apply that to the ends. Okay, so I just wrapped my hair really quick. I didn't record how I did this because I literally didn't know what I was doing. It looks so bad. But anyways, so I'm gonna grab this scarf now because I am gonna get ready for bed and go to sleep. Actually, I ended up not doing the scarf. Instead, I just put the redecilla on top. I'm actually scared of my hair getting dented by the bobby pins. So I put the redecilla back on, and then later on tonight, I'm gonna remove the bobby pins very carefully and then put this scarf on. So just wanted to mention that. Okay guys, so now I had this headband on as I was doing my makeup. Yes, so we're gonna let our hair down now. All right guys, so the situation is a bit puffy, but it's not terrible. I think for my first time straightening my hair in years, my hair is not heat trained at all, so it's not going to be as flat and tamed as someone who does heat style their hair more often would be. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a bit of these silicona Gotas de Brillo, and this is just to make my hair a bit more tame. I'm just gonna add like the tiniest amount, just like that much, and just smooth it down. Oof, much better. All right guys, so that is my hair. I am actually pretty impressed that I did this by myself. I don't know, it was really difficult, I have to say. It's just a matter of like perfecting my technique. I hope that it inspires you to attempt to straighten your hair and to maybe try out the rolos. It is a technique that uses less direct heat to the hair, so it's not as damaging. I did not use a flat iron, and we used a lot of heat protectant as well. So yeah guys, I cannot believe I'm seeing myself with straight hair. It's really crazy. I haven't had straight hair in about 3 years. I have not straightened my hair. I feel like so weird. I'm not used to seeing myself without curly hair at all, so this is so weird. Oh my god. Let me show you guys the back of the hair, and I can feel like a bit of texture up here, but that's okay. So this is the hair. So there's a dent right here, and I think it's because like didn't straighten this part enough. So there is a dent, but it's okay guys, we learned together, and I'm proud that I did this. I really am, because I honestly felt like quitting several times. I was like, you know what, forget this, I can't do this, but we did it. Okay guys, I wanted to show you guys up close what the hair looks like. So this is the hair here, a little bit poofy, but I don't know guys, I feel like it's not that bad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any video requests that you would like to see from me, then please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!